On baking day we must make manouche. It's the moment of truth. Yum, so delicious. Need a cup of tea. We use lunch meat for the burger because there's no minced meat. Let's go. Also, we made the dough at home because there's no burger bread available. This is bread after baking. Today there's no salad. It's the moment of truth. So delicious. Today Human Concern International sent me a box. They contacted with my family. My family said it's something I've wanted for a while. Let's see it together. I can't talk because of the excitement. It's the moment of truth. Cow ghee, meat, oil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 cartons yogurt. I think I know the food. Mansaf, Jamid. The dish I wanted so much for a while. Mansaf spices, 2 kilograms Egyptian rice, even the onions were sent. Thank you, Human Concern International. What a fiery video for Mansaf. Jordanian Mansaf from the heart of Palestine. Let's get started. Now we wash the meat. Bay leaf only. We remove the foam from the meat after boiling. This is just jamid after being crushed and soaked up overnight. Stir well to avoid the milk. Now mansaf spices. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Tasty. Now we put meat in jamid. Turmeric, mansaf. The smell is awesome. It's the moment of truth. This situation doesn't work for me. It's the time of Dabura. This is the right job. War kunafa. Let's get started. Stale bread cut in small pieces. Ghee. And now kunafa is ready. Added food dye. Press very well to come to the same level. We'll prepare the fake cream. Water, 2 tablespoons of starch, semolina milk powder. Cream layer after cooking. Put a second layer. This is how it looks like after preparing. Now to the oven. This is how it looks like after baking and browning. The shape looks very beautiful, it's amazing. Now we'll pour the syrup. It's the moment of truth. Masterpiece كنافة, so delicious. The orphan maklupa. We call it the orphan because it doesn't include chicken. Let's go. First slice onions, then unpeeled garlic. This is the rice after soaking and draining. Rice spices, black pepper and cardamom. Salt. A little bit of vegetable oil. Now we add fried onions and garlic. Then we add chickpeas. We need to add more to compensate for the protein. Now we enter the most beautiful yet toughest stage. Tomatoes. Or aubergine and potato layer. Layer of rice. Another aubergine and potato layer. Another rice layer. It's the moment of truth. It's too heavy. The smell and appearance are distinctive, simply amazing. It's absolutely incredible, mind-blowingly good. Gaza style arrays. We made the pita bread at home and now we'll bake it. Here's the bread after baking. Look how delicious it is. Onions and parsley. Garlic and red peppers. A little bit of vegetable oil. Canned corned beef. Black pepper, cardamom and meat spices. Some salt. The pita bread to be baked. Now we glaze it with vegetable oil. Hear how crunchy it is. The moment of truth. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Genuinely, incredibly delicious. Let's go. Whole chickpeas. Onions, green peppers, parsley, and garlic. Gaza milk rice pudding. Wash Egyptian rice. Let's get started. We wait for it to boil. Continue to soak in water with no additions. Add 2 cups of sugar. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Mix in 2 spoons of. Stir the mixture well. Add the pre-prepared mixture to the cooked rice. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Add a dash of vanilla. And most importantly, add mustard. The aroma is amazing. Now we will serve it. It's time to garnish. Look alone is satisfying. Now the moment of truth. It tastes amazing. So yummy. The Gazan Samakia will look forward to making it on the day of liberation. Main ingredient is chard. Let's go. Vegetable oil, onions chopped and diced into cubes, a little bit of stirring. We add the chard after chopping it. We'll wait till it softens. Green and red peppers, garlic, white jewel seeds, add some salt. Now we add a boiled kind of chickpeas. Then we add the previous mix. Samakia comes from sumac, completely soaked overnight. And now we drain it. Add half a cup of flour. Now add half cup of tahini and half cup of olive oil. Imagine a taste of bread from a clay oven. Nothing like Gazan food. Wow, mind-blowing. Thank you for 200,000 supporters, 200,000 lovers, and for 200,000 followers. I love you so much. It's time of truth. Amazing, mind-blowing. Salad in the original Gazian style. Let's begin. Grind jewel seeds, this is how it looks. Salt. Pested oil in this circular motion. Green peppers. And of course I have to get plain water, if not then don't make it. Onions sliced and diced into cubes. And now we add the onions. We have been looking for drinking water for 3 days because there's no drinking water available in Gaza. Tomatoes sliced and diced into cubes. We gently press on the tomatoes. A squeeze of lemon. And most important ingredient, olive oil. We stir well. It looks amazing. Now the moment of truth. Amazing, mind-blowing, cannot taste any better. Nothing compared to Gaza dishes.